This is a dragon egg hatching in the nest. Now I like to do these smaller projects like this one here when I get low on the spool with filament. That way, when I do a big job, I can put in, a full roll on so that I'm not wasting my time and not stopping in between the actual job, because I find that the interruption makes the job or the project a little weaker, and sometimes you have to apply glue. Anyway, I'm taking all the supports off and getting this ready to be primed. And at the end of this video, I'll show you it primed, and then we'll actually get into the painting of this guy. Okay, so I have it primed up and ready to paint. Well, the next video you'll see is either me painting it or it totally painted. Okay, so I have it primed up. Well, I've started the painting process, and I have to do another coat on the egg. But if you want to tune in to progress on this, please subscribe and set the bell, that every time I put up a video, you'll be able to see it. Here's a little bit of a closer look. Like I said, the white needs another coat, and then we got to do the nest. And then I'm also thinking of colors, of what color you think he should be painted. And I've got some ideas. I've got some pictures that I've looked up. I want to make them kind of metallic-y. So just wondering what your thoughts are. Have a great day. Okay, so we're obviously in the awkward stage, I call it, a painting, where it doesn't really look good, if you want to get technical, but it will as we go along. This is the metallic. I don't know if you can see the metallic in it, but this is the metallic that I'm going with. I don't know if you can see all that. There you go. And of course, there's going to be some other colors. The eyes are going to be done, and I think it's going to turn out really good. So I had a suggestion on the last video to do metallic, which I wanted to do. And yeah, I'm going to go with metallic on the dragon and flatter colors, of course, on the landscape or the nest part of it and the egg. Oh, it'll probably all be sprayed a little shinier anyway, to make it look like a fresh cracked egg. So what do you think? All right, so I've got them this far. That's the metallic purple that I put on them, and I put a bit of gold on them, some gold flecks. And I actually took the green and I used this toothpick to put the green in his eyes. So his eyes actually haven't got the black spot in it yet, but what I've got to do is wait for that to dry, and then I'll put the black spot in, and then I'll actually take a clear rosin and put it over top, just like the way the glass, or well, it's made out of acrylic, the eyes, basically. So that'll be really, really cool. And I think I'm going to maybe make him a little bit, looks like he's a little slimy coming out of the egg. What do you think of that? Okay, so now we've got the black spot in the eye and the little white dot in the eye. And this is coming along really, really nice. I don't know if I'm too close here or not. Let's bring it out here. Move them around so you can see them. And then what I'm going to start next is the bottom here. Right about, let's see here, right in here. We're going to start making the painting that part. Let's see if we can, yeah, there we are. So you can see down inside. That's really cool. Look at this angle here. That's him inside the egg. I think he looks really, really cool. I'm excited to finish, but then not. Whenever I finish it, then it's kind of sad that it's done, but then you start onto something new. So what do y'all think of that? All right, we have the rocks painted and the sticks painted. You can see those. And then we're going to add some, actually, in another video, we're going to add some greenery, some lichen, and some moss to the effect. Look at that rock. That rock looks so cool. There you go. A little bit of touch-ups here and there. But other than that, there you go. I think we're pretty well done. Maybe a few touch-ups left on Mr. Dinosaur. Or he's not a Mr. Baby Dinosaur. How's that? Bring him around here. So I think we're pretty well, other than the greenery. And his tongue was painted, if you notice. And his teeth. Well, there we are. It's finally done. The baby dragon. We have the little moss parts on it and the little bit of grass. All the sticks are painted. It's been clear coated with a matte finish on the bottom of the nest and a gloss finish on the actual egg and the dragon. So there you go. So what the hell I'll think of that. And I'm starting the dino egg hatch. So if you want to go back and see when I actually printed it, and then I just actually installed the eyes and I did the video. So in the next couple of days, you'll see the video on that. So anyway, this one here, the dragon's done. And what do you think? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.